In this situation, we have a linear inequality. We know it's linear because x and y are to the first power. And to graph a linear inequality, you need to find the line that's associated with it. Then you can use the inequality to shade above or below. So let's show that. First, we can take away 5x from both sides. We'll have negative 3y less than negative 5x plus 4. Now we can divide by negative 3. And we have to remember that for inequalities, when you multiply or divide by negative 1, you reverse the inequality. So here we'll have y is greater than 5 over 3x minus 4 over 3. Now let's imagine what the line y equals 5 over 3x minus 4 over 3 would look like. That line is in y equals mx plus b format, so we know the slope is 5 over 3. The y-intercept is negative 4 over 3. So let's get ourselves an xy axis. And let's go to negative 4 over 3 for the y-intercept. That's negative 1 1/3. So we're going to negative 1 1/3 on the y-axis. That's our y-intercept. And then we're going up 5 and over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So now we've got our line that connects those 2 points. But keep in mind for inequalities, if you have greater than or less than, those are dashed lines. And if you have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, those are solid lines. So here we had greater than, so we need a dashed line to connect those 2 points. And our line will look something like this, our inequality. And because it's actually y is greater than that line, that means we're shading above it. Greater than means shade above, and less than means shade below. So let's just imagine shading above this line. And so any point in the solution set is going to be above that line. 1, 1 seems to be clearly in that area. We could do the math to really find out one way or the other. 2, 5 is even more clearly in that area. That one I don't think we need to test out at all. And 3, 2 is right around there. But I would say that this point and this point, we're close enough to the line that we're going to want to actually plug them in and see. So for answer choice 1, if we plug in 1, 1, that would be 5, 1 minus 3, 1 less than 4. 5 minus 3 less than 4. 2 less than 4, and that checks out. For answer choice 3, we'd have 5 times 3 minus 3 times 2 less than 4. 15 minus 6 is less than 4. And we end up with 9 is less than 4. And that's not true. Let's go ahead and do the second one anyway, just because we're here. 5 times 2 minus 3 times 5 less than 4. 10 minus 15 less than 4. Negative 5 less than 4. That one worked. So the ones that really worked were 1 and 2. 3 did not work. And the answer choice that offers us 1 and 2 is answer choice C.